I want to show you how fast you can create your references page with RefWorks. RefWorks is a citation manager that lets you save and organize your research directly from library databases. I'm already signed in and looking at my All References page. These are research articles, websites, and more that I've saved. I'm going to click on the Create Bibliography menu and then on Create Bibliography. Did you notice how quickly RefWorks formatted my 50 citations? You can save research to RefWorks directly from the library's databases, and there are tools for creating in-text citations, citing things from the web, sharing folders with your project groups, and more. For help setting up your account and learning all the features of RefWorks, attend our Citation Success workshops, which you can register for from the Connect tab of our website.